This guy's yucky. We got a whole bunch of things that make our brains hurt. We don't like variables in the denominator. So let's get that out. I'm going to multiply by something in the form of 1. So check out what I'm doing. Take a little look for yourself. See if you can agree with my logic here. This is 1, the stuff in green. I'm multiplying by xy over xy. That cancels out, makes 1. And I'm going to do that because I always think of my fraction as having parentheses guarding it. The distributive property is going to happen here. When you do that, you got to cut the legs out of your fraction. The x and the x will cancel out. The y and the y will cancel out. It's going to make everything disappear. So I looked and I saw I need something that I need the least common multiple. Or I know you guys don't like hearing that word, but I need something so that when I multiply, I'll have cross-canceling happen to make both of these things disappear. It needs to be the same. So x and y was how I came about that decision. So let's do that distribution. It's going to give us this one right here, 3 over x times x, y. The x's are going to cancel times x, y. Because if you put a fraction under here, your final answer is going to be 3xy over x. And then the x's cancel right out. So this is going to give us on top 3y. And then when you do the distribution here, xy times 3 over y, the y's are going to cancel this time. So we're going to get 3x here. That's all over xy times all this stuff. The x is going to cancel out, leaving you with 3y. Doing the distribution right here. Negative 3 over y times xy gives you negative 3x. The y's cancel out on that one. So they have a different sign. That means they're not the same number. If we knew what x and y were, they would certainly be different. So these just can't simply cross out, but we could simplify a bit. Factor out a 3 from both of them, because both of them are divisible by 3. Y plus x. This is y minus x. And so you can probably see the 3's are going to cancel out. So our final simplified version is y plus x over y minus x.